In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Ads account. Navigating the digital advertising space can sometimes feel like wandering through a maze. Today though, we're making one crucial aspect of it straightforward: signing into your Google Ads account. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresher, stick around. Let's start right at the beginning. To access the endless possibilities of Google Ads, you'll first need to go to the official Google Ads homepage. This can easily be done by typing Google Ads into your favorite search engine or directly entering the URL *ads.google.com* into your browser's address bar. This page is your gateway to attracting customers and boosting your online sales through advertising. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, your next step is to click on the asterisk sign in asterisk button. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Going through this step is akin to unlocking the door to your digital advertising kingdom. It's your first real action towards managing and implementing your ad campaigns. Now for some, this next step will be as swift as a click. For others, a moment of decision. If you manage or have access to multiple Google Ads accounts, you'll find yourself on a page where you need to select which account you wish to log into. This selection process is crucial for those managing multiple clients or businesses. It ensures that you are working on the correct account, preventing any mishaps or mismanagement of campaigns. It's like choosing the correct key for the lock, ensuring you enter the right room, and just like that, you're in. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated your way to logging into your Google Ads account. This is where your journey towards optimizing and creating effective ad campaigns truly begins. From here, the world of online advertising is at your fingertips. You can monitor current campaigns, adjust budgets, or dive into creating new ones. The tools and data available in your Google Ads account are instrumental in guiding your decisions and strategies for maximum impact. But before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, always ensure you're logging in with the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple Google services. Mixing up accounts can lead to confusion or delays in your work. Second, consider using two-factor authentication for an added layer of security for your Google Ads account. It adds that extra shield, keeping your campaigns and data safe from unauthorized access. Lastly, keep exploring. Google Ads is a dynamic platform with continual updates and new features. Familiarizing yourself with its capabilities can unlock new opportunities for your advertising efforts. That covers everything you need to know about logging into your Google Ads account. It's a simple process, but one that opens the door to a world of advertising possibilities for you and your business. Start experimenting, analyzing, and optimizing. The digital space is your oyster, and Google Ads is a powerful tool to help you navigate it. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides and tips. Until next time, happy advertising.